You don't want these little dead pieces to just crack on you.
There you go, there you go, there you go.
You built a nice shelter. You get to feel like a caveman for a second, so
Make sure you like and subscribe. Tight little spots.
oh, we had a double punch, just like Rocky and Apollo, folks.
Oh, come on over here.
What's going on, everybody? Thank you for watching Vazsurvival. I'm super psyched today because we are going to cook a very unique, healthy mushroom. It's called bear's head tooth. It is related to lion's mane. It is very medicinal. Supposedly this tastes like lobster, and that's actually my favorite food. So I'm gonna get a fire going. I'm gonna show you the lion's mane. What do we got here? Look at this beautiful stuff. This is supposed to help cure dementia, help cure cancer, all sorts of stuff. And it's practically foolproof. Very, very easy to identify. Look at this. So unique. It's actually my favorite looking mushroom. Found it, and I'm gonna eat it, but I'm gonna be smart about how I eat it. There's a process. Gotta get a fire, obviously, right? So, got a little bit of birch bark, and I collected a whole bunch of dry pine that was up off the ground. You want to have 3 different sources of flame. It's good to know how to use a ferro rod and practice a bunch. But when the sun's going down, you got to cook up some mushrooms. Make sure you just bring some simple matches here. So we can get a nice fire. Wilderness and plains. Grill. My battery's about to die, but luckily I got my other camera. But it looks very good. It's funny because they say it tastes like lobster, and it looks like lobster. Ooh. Practically overcooking them over here. My camera died, so this is the best light you're gonna get and the best shot you're gonna get. That's weird. That's weird. I'm not sure if I like it yet. Definitely has a seafoody taste. I mean, I like over grilled this to make sure it was cooked. But the texture is just like kind of crab. So I'm gonna wait a little bit before I try more. So I just had a little piece. Now I'm gonna wait. If I feel okay in a little while, bam, have some more. Have some more mushrooms. Have some more bear tooth. Bear tooth claw. No, bear tooth. Ah, bears. Not bad. Not bad. Check it out, everybody. This right here is chicken of the woods. One of the easiest types of mushrooms to be able to identify. And you know that it's chicken of the woods. Let me grab my knife. This is a little tough. Keep it intact. It's growing on a hardwood tree. It's got a polyporous underside. This stuff is going to be absolutely delicious. Clean this up. And I heard that it tastes almost sometimes like some nice scrambled eggs or whatever.
It does tastes like delicious creamy scrambled eggs.
Grilling up some chicken of the woods right here. Cook that stuff thoroughly. But if you were surviving and you didn't have yourself a pan or whatever, this is how you do it. That's why the mushrooms are easy to cook up this way. Put this stuff on a stick and grill this for a while. smells delicious. Yo.
That's good. So it doesn't taste like your traditional type of mushroom. Not that bad. And nutritious. Wow. Pretty good. It's good. And it's safe. Just remember, cook it thoroughly. There's other mushrooms that you really need to pay attention, take a long time to be able to figure out whether it is the absolute correct mushroom, because you could die. But these, pretty safe. Easy to identify. Oh man, they're good. Chicken out of the woods.